y'all, my name is Shorty. If you've never watched any of my videos, I do all kind of content, but today I'm going to be doing a wig install with Alley Beauty hair. I purchased this wig on Amazon, y'all. It came with a booklet on how to properly take care of your hair, a wig cap, pack of 2, some lashes I'll probably never wear because I wear hot girl lashes, and then it was a 13x4 Brazilian water wave lace front. Girl, the wave on here is giving Puerto Rican. The ends are thick. It's giving foreign, honey. So sit back, relax. This wig is pre-plucked. Let's go ahead and watch a quick install. I'm sorry, I forgot to mention, by the way, this wig is 30 inches, and honey, it's every inch. I even measured it with a measuring tape, babe.
Bring that ass over, doors, you bring it back. I'm a big dog tryna eat the kitty cat. I'ma slide in the way it fit, I can tell we match. All up on my racks, hella cheese, I don't for rats. Make crib in Hollywood, I don't even that. Come relax, let it attack, get you wanna act. Take a look with the pop, wipe the pain away. Juicy and it's tighter than a virgin, like Madonna say. I love when you give it, and I love when you don't. Come hit me with the grease. Bring that ass over, doors, you bring it back.
Okay, y'all, this is how the wig install came out. I'm obsessed. I give this wig a 10 out of 10. I will recommend. Y'all, make sure y'all shop the link below for this Amazon wig. I am totally obsessed. This wig is definitely a vibe. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Bye.